Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are diving into something sweet and fruity. We are making a French dessert called a strawberry galette with creamy cheese. It's simple, beautiful, absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, I got this puff pastry ready from the store. You can do the same. Just grab any packaged puff pastry and you're good to go. I'm using ready-made puff pastry because it saves so much time and makes everything a lot easier. Perfect when you want a quick dessert. Now let's roll out the puff pastry and get it ready. For the filling, I'm using a simple mix with cream cheese, so easy and delicious. Into a bowl, I put the cream cheese. We only need the egg yolk, so I separated it from the white and add it. Then add cornstarch, powdered sugar, add a touch of vanilla. This helps take away the eggy smell. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, creamy filling. Easy and delicious. Next, we slice the strawberries on a cutting board. Make sure your strawberries are firm, not too ripe, so they stay perfect in the oven. Wow, these strawberries look amazing. They are so pretty, you just want to reach out and touch them. Now, we add the remaining cornstarch and powdered sugar to the strawberries and gently mix them. This not only enhances the flavor, but also gives them a beautiful, glossy look in the galette. So pretty and tasty. Here's what we do. Put the cream cheese filling right in the center of the dough. Then arrange the strawberries on top. Once the strawberries are in place, gently fold the edges of the dough over them. Like this, easy and beautiful. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments what recipe you'd like to see next. I can't wait to hear your ideas. Now we dilute a little cream with some milk and brush this mixture over the edges of our galette. This will give the crust a beautiful shine and a lovely golden color. After brushing the edges, sprinkle a little brown sugar on top. This adds a touch of sweetness and helps give our galette a gorgeous golden finish. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Our galette is ready to go into the oven. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until the crust is golden and the strawberries are soft and colorful. Can't wait to see it. Once the galette is out of the oven, we place it on the wire rack to cool. Carefully remove the parchment paper so the crust stays crisp, then place it on a board and sprinkle powdered sugar on top. Looks and smells amazing. Time to taste. It turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.